Sure. It was tough. It was extremely tough, but we knew it was gonna be tough today, man. No matter what, we came from 4 losses now in a row, so we had to pull one together. And yeah, at the end of the day, the boys just showed character, man, and they just showed that they wanted to win it more. So yeah, the win came and we just took it. I think it's happened through the season already. So we start in a house of fire, but then we tend to get complacent, man. So we lose focus during the game, and then we want to catch a wake up when it's too late, and that's why our games is marginal. We lose by either 3 points, 2 points, or 1 point. So it's just about staying focused, and I think today the boys actually we lost after that in the first half, early 2 tries. We lost a bit of focus, giving a few missed tackles and so. But we kept our focus, we kept our cool, and the boys showed character at the end.
Na 3 weke is dit droogte. Beteken dit baie vir ons span. Ek meen dit gaan weer boesman gees wees die lente gee vandag na al die droogte wat die 3 weke. So die 4 punte welkom ons baie. Het was taaf hier buite op Goodwood. Ons het getrail, ons het gelead 23-22. But soos ek gesê het, well done to our guys, our players, our supporters. Soos ek veel gesê het, ons het dit markeer, die wen. Die 4 punte is belangrik. Spesiaal in Superliga B, is die, soos hulle sê, is die Yo-Yo League van VP Rugby. So ons welkom die 4 punte daarna. So well done to the collegians and also to all our players.
Yes, it was a very good game. Collegians came out the blocks. We were almost 20-0 down. Did really well to come back. Great rugby from both sides. And then, yeah, pressure towards the end. Some small errors in a game like this, it cost us. We've got 3 games left. We have a break next week. I think everybody has a break because it's a long weekend. And then we take on Busy Bees, Helderberg, and then Kelsriver. So no easy game in this league, but our battle for survival continues.
Yeah, look, it was a very exciting game, and your backs particularly, they playing an exciting brand of rugby. Is that the style of play that you're trying to install in the players?
100%. We've got the talent here is very good. It's just knowing when to play. So sometimes we're playing in our red zone which we shouldn't have.
Yeah.
That's what cost us, but yes, that is our brand.